Hello everyone, my name is Shorav and welcome to my 11th video of HTML5 tutorial series. Today we are going to discuss about HTML comments. So let's begin. So what exactly is a comment? A comments comes in handy if you coded something and don't want that code result to be shown on web page. Alright. Comment tags are used to insert comments in HTML source code. So let's see an example. Let's say we have a paragraph. Let me write it first. Alright, we have a text. If you think I talk too much, let me know, we can talk about it. Okay, let's make it bold, this dark here. Okay, so if we want to, this text is visible. If we save it and check it in our browser, we can see this text. Okay, so to comment anything, what do we need to do? So if we want to comment this text, what do we need to do? To do that, we have to write a less than sign like this and then exclamation mark, then two dash like this. Alright, this is the beginning of a comment tag, and to how to end the comment tag, we have to give again two dash here and a greater than sign. So the comment tag begins here, the comment tag ends here. So now if we save it and check it in our browser, you can see that text is not visible to our eyes or in the web page. But if we check the source code, you can see here, you can see it here. Okay, it is written in green here. So that means that text is visible if we check the source code, but it is not visible to the front end when we open a web page. Alright. Okay, comments are also used when you are coding something and want to mark something while you are coding. So let's take this example. We have an image here and it displays properly in the web page. Now say we want to comment this, but how to comment it to make a reminder? Like say we want to comment and write here like, do not display this image at the moment. Say you are coding a web page and you don't want this image to display right now. So you comment it like this and it's gone. Okay. So this way the comment is handy when we are coding a web page and we don't want to display that particular code to the users. Alright, so that's it for now. If you understand this, we are ready to move on to our next tutorial. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Till then, bye.